Hello, welcome back to the Project Hercules Diaries. What we were doing last was cutting some grooves into the drive side for the circlip. The circlip retains the bearings. It's a 100mm inside diameter circlip, and I was a bit concerned that we didn't have the right tool for putting these in. What we don't want to do, because it's quite a long way down inside the bore where the circlip groove is, we don't want to unspring the circlip, have it slip off the circlip pliers and ping into the side and damage the bore. So commercial circlip pliers like this, they're not really up to the job. I know you can get some slightly heavier duty ones. I looked at a pair for about 90 quid and I thought, I'm sure we can make something just as good. So if you've seen Crocodile Dundee, that's not a knife, this is a knife in much the same way. That's not a set of circlip pliers, that's a set of circlip pliers, something we cobbled together, mostly Bob, this week with a bit of scrap iron from the bench. So these bolts that have been turned down to make nice long pins, there's plenty of length of pin to go into the circlip itself, so it's not going to slip off inadvertently, and there's plenty of length here to get right down inside the bore, and plenty of leverage to squash that circlip up nicely so that it's not going to touch the bore all the way down. This bit of aluminium is a test piece. If you've been looking at the Sophie Whip Tank blog, you will have seen, there's no video for it because it was quite a while ago, but you will have seen that being test board on the Bridgeport mill to make sure that the readings on the boring head were correct, and it was a pilot, just a test with a bit of scrap to put the main bearings in. So it's handy that we kept it because it's 100mm. We cut the slot in it just to in the same way that we cut the slots on the real job, so we got a proper test piece to do, and that's come out quite nicely. So it's not the most exciting of engineering projects, but it's something that needs to be done, and quite often there's a lot of little jobs that need to be done before you can do the big jobs. So that's what we've been up to, that's the latest update, and thank you for watching.